In Altadena, California, thousands of homeowners are trying to rebuild the homes destroyed by the devastating wildfires in January. But a new report shows the ground where many of those homes once stood may be highly contaminated. In tonight's In Depth, Elise Preston reports on the toxic danger delaying their recovery.
Armed with a spoon and sandwich bags, lifelong Altadena resident Gillian Selsby digs up some of the land she's called home for decades to be tested for toxins.
It's a little scary because I'm wondering what's going to be in it.
3 generations of her family lost homes in January to the Eaton fire. She and her parents all plan to rebuild in Altadena. But before they break ground, they have to be sure their land is safe.
Are you concerned that their property has contaminants as well?
Yes, because their home was built in 1925. I'm concerned because they're older, and I want to make sure that they aren't exposed to anything that could be unhealthy.
In its final report, the Los Angeles County Health Department found a sizable number of Altadena properties had significantly higher levels of lead than what the state deems safe. The University of Southern California is leading its own testing project for concerned families. Director Sujit Rao.
We know that lead is a dangerous contaminant that can be present in places in or near fires. And that's true whether your home burned down or was partially damaged or only had smoke damage, or even if you were downwind and just sort of had a lot of smoke and ash fall in your yard.
Exposure to lead can cause brain and kidney damage and developmental delays.
The risk is that if young children or people who are pregnant come in contact with soils that have really elevated levels of lead, over time, that lead can accumulate in the body.
Rao says USC's findings are consistent with LA County's report, which found that lead contamination was present even after the Army Corps of Engineers scraped 6 inches of soil from damaged properties.
Why can't you take another 6 inches? I am glad that we can do our own soil testing now, just to make sure it's safe to build.
More than 1 in 3 Altadena homeowners say they haven't gotten the soil testing they want, according to Department of Angels, an advocacy group. In extreme cases, homeowners will have to remove the hazardous soil.
I love it when I hear that people are rebuilding. I even love it when I hear that people's homes have survived, because that's kind of the scaffolding that's keeping us all up.
Giving Selsby hope as she awaits the results. Elise Preston, CBS News, Altadena, California.